Hi, my name is Mary Guckenberger from Something and More. Our website features Central American arts and crafts for sale along with other products. In August of 2015, I visited Mexico on a shopping trip and was excited again to find high-quality suppliers of corn husk dolls. I found these dolls in about 2012 being made by a group of women in a village called San Cristobal in the state of Jalisco in Mexico. Our customers were very happy with the dolls I brought home at that time. The process of making these dolls can be seen in a YouTube video titled Making Corn Husk Dolls, uploaded by us at Somethingandmore.com. You might want to watch that video. This video provides a close look at the dolls that I can now provide. Please take your time and see the details of the mini dolls now available on our website as they move through the screen. Pause the videos to explore the fine works of these ladies that make the dolls. Enjoy!